What is this? We don't know. Maybe a tsunami, sand tsunami. Tsunami sand. You know the black there, you see. It's getting higher and higher and higher and higher. Maybe a big storm coming or H2S. It all kills. It happens in the camp. There's the window of the camp. The guy's over there, there's the guy. Hi, hi, brother. You see that one? Is that the tsunami sand? Tsunami sand. Mother shoot. See? I think there's a face over there, you see? There's a face over there. See, oh? Like a face of a person over there. See? There, oh? It's the face of the girl, there. See, oh? Like the face of the girl. The face of the girl, and getting a big sand here. Going up here, taking a video. See, what is this? It's getting black cold at the, what time is it now? Maybe 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And the rainforest over there, you will see. There, it covers all the places. See, it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon and the dark is getting darker and darker. Like on this side, it's very light. But this side, it's very dark. And it covers all the place. It's only 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at that. Look at that. This is the first time, no? First time it happens. And the security is there. The security is there. The security is there to check. We don't know what happened, but the smoke gets over there. So we